Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Never saying welcome back again. Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another trade recap, and as you can see here, we lost again. And I don't know, this literally feels like just yesterday. Like we literally just repeated yesterday. And I'm kind of like, I'm annoyed, but it is what it is. I really thought it was gonna go down. But coming into the day, there's not really a point going on daily. You guys see me trade every day. But coming into the day, we were bullish, made that retrace, and we started pushing up. So we were thinking of buys today, nothing too crazy. And also on the 4 hour, we were in a 4 hour fair value gap, and we were pushing it, and we were going into it. So I decided we might take buys today because we're in this 4 hour gap and it retraced into it and it's gonna start going up. I didn't actually mark I didn't mark equilibrium here. There was no point anyways. It was the 4 hour time it. And in the 1 hour as well, we broke structure, formed a we broke structure, we were bearish on the 1 hour. If we look here, we were in an order block. We swept out these highs right here and here. So we're on an order block and we pushed into it right on this candle here. Filled in this gap and it went down, and that's like kind of when it entered. Anyways, that was on the 1 hour. So I was thinking of going for shorts now because we're bearish on the lower time frames. On the 30-minute, we also we were bearish. We broke structure. I thought this was a retrace. Instead, it was not a retrace, and as you can see, it's going up. I thought this was a retrace, and I was getting ready to start buying. I bought off this retrace on the upside, which is pretty annoying. But I mean, we kind of got close to my take profit one. On the 15-minute though, which I don't even know if this is right. I'm pretty sure this is an order block right here. I mean, we swept out. Where was it? I don't even know if it's an order block or not. But we swept out these highs right here and stuff. So I marked it out anyways. Is that even an order block? I think it is. Right here. And we were in it right now. We missed the initial move up and it pushed down, and look what it's doing now. So I was looking at that and I was kind of thinking of buys, but I wasn't too like keen on it because we were pushing down. We broke structure and I thought we were creating this 5-minute retrace. I didn't know if this was a break of structure or not. We did disrespect this gap, but we have more up here. But I don't know if this is a break of structure or not. It's like a micro break of structure or something like that. And so I thought we were in an order block, so we might push up. But as I said, we were in a 1 hour order block to go down. I didn't even say that, I don't think. We were in a 1 hour order block. Yeah, I did. A 1 hour order block, and we pushed into it, and I thought we were gonna go down. And on the 5-minute, was it? And on the 5-minute, no, I think it was the 15-minute as well. I don't know. The 5-minute we were in an order block as well. We swept out these highs and stuff, and then we pushed down, and I thought it was a reversal. But I thought we were in an order block, like, oh, well, we didn't even hit this one. That might have been what I should have waited for. But I marked this out just in case we ended up hitting it, which we didn't, taking the trade. So that was like, I was going for shorts today. That was kind of like the thing, I don't know, I was looking for shorts. I don't know why I keep looking for shorts. I'm noticing that like for the past 2 days, the same exact thing has happened. That was nothing. The same exact thing happened. We pushed down before London opened, and then we start pushing up, and then London opened. That's when I was looking for trades. So now when I entered, I scaled down to the 5-minute. I marked out equilibrium. This was on the 15-minute though, but I marked it out. We were in a discounted price, and I was thinking we're gonna push down. So I waited for a 5-minute break of structure. We got that right here. And then that's when I was getting ready to enter. I wanted to enter off a retrace. So I scaled down to the 1 minute. And over here on the 1 minute, we were down, we pushed up, and I marked out this gap. We disrespected these ones, but we had this. We filled it like a bunch. We're still filling it. I was waiting for a 1 minute break of structure to the downside because I think, no, I don't even know. I don't think we did. No, we didn't even break structure on the upside. But I was waiting for this gap to get disrespected. It got filled, but I don't know if it was going to get filled again. So I waited for that, and that was like kind of my entry. That's when I entered after we disrespected this gap. And as soon as I entered, we pushed up here, and I thought I was stopped out already. Then we came back down, and whatever, it doesn't matter. We didn't hit take profit 1, which was down here. Let me just, down here, which was pretty annoying, and then we got stopped out, and it's starting to head down again after it hits this order block. Not the worst trade. I feel like, I don't know what I did wrong, but I do know what I did wrong. But I also don't, but like I do. I probably could have waited a little longer. Like, we literally traded at 5:05, but like if I waited like 2 more minutes, it would have gone 3 more minutes. That's what would have happened, and I would have stopped. Because we were in an uptrend, and I don't know. I was just, this trade wasn't not the best, but we did sweep right here, literally just like yesterday. If you go back to yesterday's video, it'll be exactly like this. We swept and we pushed up. So that was annoying. But I thought we were gonna go down because we hit an order block. So I was thinking this is gonna be the move down. That we have, and even in the hourly, this hourly candle closed on this right here. We filled in this gap, ended up disrespecting it, but at the time, this candle right here, we filled the gap and we went down and we didn't disrespect it. So I was convinced that we're gonna go down. We still haven't broke structure on the 1 hour, and we might have just swept out this high and pushed down from this order block, which is pretty annoying. Or we're just going up. And one of the things that I'm kind of realizing is that higher time frames have power, because on the 4 hour, it's just a retrace. And I didn't really think too much about it, but we were in this gap, this 4 hour gap. So I could have waited a little bit longer, or I could have just not waited 4 hours. But we're gonna push up from the gap. Like we were expecting it, we were going in it. So that's what I was thinking. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Not much else to say. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Pretty short. Lost the trade today. Hopefully we get a win tomorrow. Trading London session, so it's a little bit different. But I've got to take note of this. We literally happened twice in a row and it pushed up. But hey guys, thanks for watching, and see you guys later.